Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic and the SMUG. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one is the better choice for your home? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to price, the Electactic ice maker is priced at $89, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the SMUG ice maker is available for just $69, offering a more budget-friendly choice for those looking to enjoy homemade ice without breaking the bank. Both the Electactic and SMUG ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities, each capable of producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With a capacity of 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, both machines are designed to keep up with your ice needs, whether for parties or everyday use. The Electactic ice maker comes equipped with a self-cleaning feature, making maintenance a breeze. On the other hand, the SMUG model includes a handy basket and scoop, enhancing convenience for users who want to serve ice quickly. Both features cater to different user preferences, making each product appealing in its own right. In conclusion, both the Electactic and SMUG ice makers offer excellent features and performance for home use. The Electactic is ideal for those who prioritize self-cleaning functionality, while the SMUG provides great value with its lower price and included accessories. Whichever you choose, you'll be well equipped for all your ice-making needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.